Hi everyone. The Start menu on Windows 11 and 10 shows the Profile and Power menus in the bottom rail by default. However, you probably didn't know that you can also customize the experience to display quick access to folder locations next to the Power button. For example, you can customize the Start settings from the Settings app to add or remove access to Settings, File Explorer, Documents, Pictures, Network, and other folders. Once you change the settings, the next time you open the Start menu, next to the Power button, you will have access to the different locations you specified. In this guide, I will explain the easy steps to choose the folders that can appear on Start next to the Power button on Windows 11 and on Windows 10. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 11 and click on Personalization. Next, click the Start tab and click the Folder setting. Next, turn on the toggle switch for the folders you want to appear next to the Power button on Windows 11, including File Explorer, Settings, Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, Videos, Network, and Personal folders. Once you complete the steps, open the Start menu. The buttons for the locations you selected will appear next to the Power button.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.